Do you like to work on your own car, whether it's to save money or to DIY your own project? Do you wish you had an expert on hand to guide you and give you that extra peace of mind? Well, now that's actually possible anytime, anywhere with the new Tinker app. Hi, I'm Maggie Clark, Motor City Maggie, and I love cars. I love new cars and classic cars, and you can always find me lusting over sleek lines at an auto show. But do I feel confident enough to work on my own cars? I don't yet. So that's why I found the Tinker app. Tinker DIY is a new mobile app which features one-on-one live help for auto DIYers and let them work with Tinker certified automotive experts instantly with live video chat for quick answers for all car topics. It's kind of like having a professional mechanic in your pocket for all those burning car questions. Whether you're a seasoned car hobbyist with a weekend build or just trying to save yourself some time and money doing some auto repairs yourself, Tinker has you covered. All Tinker experts are vetted and have professional mechanic experience or are ASE certified. They can help you anywhere from diagnostics to maintenance tips and more. So let's say you bought some sick aftermarket headlights, but you're having some trouble installing them, and you want to avoid going to a mechanic and getting a big bill. Tinker would be perfect for help with that. When you talk to a Tinker expert, you save money, save time, and gain the peace of mind that you are making the right decisions with your vehicle. On the app, you can request to speak to an expert instantly to collaborate and brainstorm for your project between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Pacific time. You can also learn and discover what's trending in the automotive universe from the Tinker blog posts. And if you are an automotive expert, Tinker wants you. You can fix cars from your couch. Partner with Tinker and provide your expertise to customers as they learn to become better DIYers. This could be a great side hustle for you. Nothing beats the feelings of accomplishment once you've completed your own car project. Once you do, comment below and tell me what you did. Maybe it will even inspire me to start changing my own oil. We'll see about that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my automotive content. Check out Tinker on the Apple App Store and on social media to see more. Thanks so much to Tinker for sponsoring this video. You guys are awesome. Until next time, motor on and happy tinkering. Bye.